Um, bye. There we go. Oh, he's gone. He just swam away. Just arrived here. I'm going fishing. Might be my last day today. It's supposed to rain pretty hard this afternoon from 1 o'clock, so I'm off today. Take advantage of it just to go fishing. Friday, just 18 today, so we'll see how I do today fishing. So anyway, I'll see you guys later on. Alright guys, just arrived at the fishing hole. It looks like it's pretty clear. There's no fisherman here as far as I can see. Wonder why. Oh, they're way up top and down below. So there is a fisherman here, but they're down below and up top. So, this is where I'm going to be fishing, guys. Oh, there's lots of them up there. I wonder if the fish are up there. I wonder why they're up there. Anyway, let's try all these fish on this side. So let's try this again. Maybe we can cut some fish here. Funny, I guess, when you hook fish and everybody goes where you are fishing, because it's just the way it is. About 6 degrees right now. It's a bit cold. Oh, it's beautiful. It's not raining yet. That's 6 apparently. So according to the weather report, it's 6 o'clock. And then you'll see rain. Oh wow! There's fish here, guys. Watch. Check that out. There's fish here. There's lots of them. Right there. Oh, that was a big one. I think that was a spring. Nice. Check out that hole, guys. That's where they lay eggs. This fish. It's a big hole. So that's where they are. Big fish. I'm not really sure what kind of fish. It looks like it's mix. Champ, coho, spring maybe, but there's lots of them in this area here. See that hole right there. That hole right there is. That's where they are. You see there's a nice big fish. Coming up. Anyway, I thought I'd share it with you guys. Bye for now. This fish are chump. They call it chump here. And yeah, we're not allowed to fish for them right now. But I'd just like to share it with you guys because there's so many of them here. It's unbelievable. How many there are here. So right now they're spawning. That's why they dig this hole. for them to spawn. I'll share with you. That's it. I'll share with you guys the chump laying their eggs here in Vedder River. I was more excited watching them than me fishing. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Dinner the Filipino Vlogger. There's more cooking, there's more fishing, there's more adventure to come. Thanks for watching, guys. I just hook a fish, guys, but I hook it on the back, so I had to let it go. It's really strong. Anyway, can't keep them. Just follow the hook, and it is. What kind of fish is this? Come on, come back here. Come back here. Holy, it's very strong. Can't even reel it. Oh, I think I know what it is. So I think I just saw the back of it. I think it's a chump. So, alright, now I see what it is. It's a chump, so I had to let it go. Bye. There we go. Oh, he's gone. He just swam away. Now I'm just going down below. It's not much happening above. See what's happening down below here. But I'll just have to keep trying. So that's where I'm going next. I was fishing way above, right above there, but nothing is happening. We'll see if we get lucky down there. There's a lot of people down below, like way below the bridge, but I don't know if I want to go all the way there. It's a bit too far away. Plus I'm limited time today. I have to go see my grandson. So anyway, wish me luck, guys. Try down below there, guys. There's nothing, so I move a little bit up. I'm gonna try it here. You see if I can hook a fish here. Right above me where I was. Right there. I'm gonna go back there. And then there's more people way above, so I don't know. It's starting to rain out too, so try my luck here. I'll see what happens. If you don't try it, you're never gonna get lucky. You're never gonna catch a fish. So just keep trying. Come on, fishy. Oh, it's raining hard now. I think I just got snagged there. So quiet there. Hardly anybody. Probably knows that there's not much fish left. And here I am still fishing. So I'm off today, so I'll just take advantage of it. Found, guys. Get a fish. It's fighting. Oh, holy. It's running. I don't know what kind of fish it is, but get a fish on. It's coming up, coming up. Come on, come on. Oh, 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 oh. Holy. He's not giving up. He wants to run away. Yeah, man. Get back up here. Holy, very strong fish. There we go. I think he's ready to come up. Oh, maybe not. Still not ready to come up. Come on, fishy. There we go. Now it's ready. What are you? I wish I could see it. Oops. Oh, now I can see it. It's a chump. So we need to let that thing go. It's a chump. Check that out, guys. It's a beautiful chump. Female. Really took my hook. So, hey buddy, you gotta have to let you go. All right, ready to go. Go. There we go. Get some air. Goodbye. Run away. Run away really fast. Anyway, guys, that was a chump. Female chump, so you can't keep them. So you have to let it go. Alright guys, so been in this area here for about half an hour and I finally hooked one spring. This area here is always I hook one chump and one spring. Beautiful. My family needs fish, so I'll show you guys my fish. And here it is, guys. My spring. So I finally get one today in this area right here. Still fish coming up. I see them jumping. But there's so many fishermen down below there, so I don't know if there's a pocket there that fish just like to stay. But this area here is a good fishing too. So anyway, I thought I'll share with you guys what I have. I'm not going home today empty-handed, so which is good. My family, brothers, they're gonna love it because I'm going to visit them today.